Hey guys, so today I've got the Pacifica Crystal Level Bubbling Charcoal Mask, which I just picked up today. I guess it's newer, and I was going to do this for today's challenge, which is the 100 Days, 100 Mask Challenge. I think today is day 36, so I thought I would actually do a quick review of it as well. So I have a clean face, and directions state to apply it to clean skin and let it sit for 10 to 20 minutes, and then either tissue off or rinse off. And so I thought I would just do a quick review of it as well. Hopefully this pump works. I always have issues with these pumps. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, I don't know. Can you see any of the glitter? Glitter's actually on the ingredient list of this. So anyway, so I'm applying it to my clean face. And it's pretty cold out in Minnesota today, so I don't know how much of a mask my skin needs other than just moisture, but oh well, I figured, well, I might as well give it a try today since, I don't know, I just like to try things right after I get them. I can't wait to use them, so it's definitely a colorful mask, that's for sure. Wow. I did notice one thing on my 100 mask challenge is that so many masks are green. It's just a common color mask, and a lot of them are like black or gray like this, so anyway, so I think I've got it spread pretty evenly, so now I'm just going to let it sit on my skin for about 10 minutes, and then I'll come back and I'm going to rinse it off, and then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts on it. So stay tuned. I'll see you in a sec. Okay, guys, I've left the mask on for about 10 minutes now, and the options say to either rinse it or tissue it off. Apply a thin rinse well or tissue off. I don't know how anyone could tissue that off because it's like kind of dry. I don't know. So I'm going to rinse it off. And anyway, on a side note, this has to be one of the least cleansing cleansers I've ever used. I had barely anything on my face today, basically just sunblock. And when I went to dry my face off, I could see like sunblock. It was just as terrible. It's just one of, I don't know. I'm sure there's people that love it, but it doesn't do anything for me, so. Okay. I will say it has a very, very light scent, which is not noticeable too much. But in terms of actual beneficial ingredients, it's got a rather short ingredient list. There's really not a ton in there. And most of the things are like water. There's several preservatives in there. They've got like glitter listed, quartz powder, some thickeners, volcanic ash, and then a few oil-absorbing ingredients like kaolin, and it's got watermelon fruit, and really not a ton of actual beneficial ingredients, which is okay because it's a rinse-off mask, and most of that doesn't have time to absorb into your skin. But I think if you have oily skin, you'll probably appreciate this a little bit more because it does have a few ingredients in there for oil absorption. But otherwise, in terms of beneficial ingredients, they're pretty low on the list of this. So if you like a fun mask, it does fizz and bubble a little bit, and it's kind of fun, and it smells very light and nice. But if you're looking for a mask to actually do something and be very beneficial, this probably isn't the one for you. There's tons of other ones I've reviewed, so you can check out my 100 Days, 100 Mask Challenge and get some ideas on some other masks you want to check. So check the link below for that, and hopefully they'll get you some ideas. But otherwise, if you just want a fun mask, there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing in here that's going to damage your skin or anything, but definitely if you have dry skin, it's probably not the best mask for you. But anyway, it's okay. I wasn't overly impressed, but I wasn't super disappointed either, and it's pretty affordable. I think it was, I can't remember, I got on sale. So anyway, it's okay. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys had a chance to try this out, or if you tried anything else out from Pacifica. What have you tried and how do you like it? My face does feel a little bit tighter after using it, I will say. So, I don't know. I guess that's probably a little more firm. Probably a little bit drier. So, anyway. So, check out the nobsbeauty.com and the Amazon link below. And check out the 100 Days, 100 Mask Challenge. Thank you guys so much.